turbo conquering mega eagle. I finally got a tiny little axe head. This is apparently a Pixie Tools Company, Sheffield axe head. Originally it came on a very small straight handle, perfectly straight, completely parallel, no palm swell, anything like that. Just a straight like matchstick of a handle. I'm gonna pimp it out a little bit, polish crap out of it, flatten it off first, polish it, clean up all the nastiness around here, and then make a nice shaped handle for it. Yeah. Don't worry about you're 5 minutes late. You're about to wrap it out.
Also, the excellent news is he's on tour in November around the UK.
Chris met my friend.
His arena tour takes in Leeds, Glasgow, Birmingham, Manchester.
Jazzle Minazzle.
And tickets are available
as of now. You
can
my
get
friend.
them from our
Look what happened to the last friend you
www.radio.co.uk/tickets ahead of Alice Cooper and Floyd, of course. With another brick in the wall, do check out the exhibition currently running at the B&A Museum in London. Basically, it's everything you ever needed to know about Pink Floyd and plenty more.
Oh, I know why. I think it was the first time I started going out with Dan. You were like, "Set me up." Weed or? Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. Maybe just it's like the last way to meet it.
As long as it's white. Absolute white.
It is the pimped out Pixie axe. Little ash handle. Like I said, originally they just had a little straight toothpick handle.
So sadly you had to go.
had to put an iron wedge in the top. It's not perfect. Really tricky because it's just what, convergent socket in the hole there. But, yeah, we're gonna have to test it now.
I'd be very impressed being able to shave and cutting at your thumb.
As you can see, it works perfectly for shaving. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe all my lovely videos for more axes and stuff. Goodbye.